Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azar and Arez Autel. Today we'll be working on a 2007 Toyota Camry. We'll be doing an all-key loss key programming. The customer misplaced his key, so I've got a new key. I've got the key already cut, but I'm just using this to complete the programming process because you need 2 keys to complete the programming process. Now you can see that the security light is blinking. You can see that the security light is blinking, showing that there's issue with the key is not programmed. So I've done this process before. If you look at my channel, I've done it with Autel. But today I want to use OBD Key Master S300 Pro to do the programming. So the key is already in the ignition. Some ID46 chip, so we do an immobilizer reset. So we have to wait for 10 seconds while the immobilizer box is being reset. You can see the light. I don't know if you can see it, it's steady. The reset has just completed. So we have 2 master key and a valet key. But what I just want is just to program 2, which is the first master key. Insert it to the ignition, wait for 5 seconds. Then I take it in the off position, do the second one the second time, and remove the first one, and quickly switch on and off for 5 times, just like the Autel. Then second one. Now, as you can see, the security light is off, so should be able to start the car now. This is Azar and Arez Autel. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.